In this video, I am going to explain the most important topic for the interview, which is a variable, in just 2 minutes. And at the end of the session, I will give you a small question. If you can answer it correctly, that's great. You have understood variables. Now, coming to the point, what is a variable? A variable is a container used to store data. For example, name equal to Dilip. Here, name is a variable and Dilip is a value stored inside it. Now, if you want to display the value, here we have to use print. Now, what is the output here? Yes, Dilip is the output. Here, variable can store different types of data. For example, name stores a text, and age stores a whole number, and height stores a decimal point. And here is a great thing in variable. Wait, I will show you. Here, age equal to 25 and age equal to 30. Now, guess what is the output here? Yes, 30. Why? Because in variables, old value is always replaced by the new value because it is updated, right? Because the output is 30. And here there are some important rules in the variables. Rule number 1. A variable name can contain letters, numbers and underscore. Rule number 2. A variable name cannot start with a number. Rule number 3. Spaces are not allowed. Instead of spaces, you can use underscore. Okay. Rule number 4. Python is a case sensitive. And rule number 5. Do not use Python keywords as a variable names. Okay. And here is a small question for you. Guess the answer and comment it. Okay. In the next video, I'm going to explain the data types. Thank you.